Welcome back to another video. If you're new to the channel, what are you doing? Hit the subscribe button. So today, on this episode, we're gonna be installing Highlander floor mats. I bought these. These are the all-weather rubber ones. We're gonna be installing them on my wife's 2021 Highlander. So let's open the box and see how they are. Alright, so this is how it looks. This might liner right here. The plastic, it's pretty durable. It's not as flexible as I thought it would be, but you know what? It will do the job. It will protect the side. It has the two holes so it doesn't slide. So let's go look at the old ones and let's put this one in. Alright, so see that those are the old ones, which I'm replacing them because these carpets are hard to vacuum. Let's put the seat back. Let's grab this one. Alright, so the driver's side actually fits very, very well. I'm very impressed. It does cover the sides right here, and the fitment is perfect. Alright, so this is the passenger side. Let's go put the passenger side in. This is how it looks. And it does cover the side right here, which it was a pain in the butt to vacuum right in the corners. So these floor mats do cover a lot. Alright, and we're done. It was that simple. So I do give the floor mats a thumbs up. I'm very surprised how well they fit, and it will make a lot easier cleaning it. So I do recommend this product. If you're looking for it, it's in the description below. Go check it out, and that's it. Thank you guys for watching. Like this video, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.